What's up, y'all? Good morning. Sun already peeking through the trees back there. Want to hit up a spot that I've never been to before. Well, a spot that I've never made a video at before. Y'all, I'm walking to the fishing spot. Check this out where these beaver have been coming and going. Here we go. Man, there's a lot of bait in here. Yo, good morning, y'all. We already got a good start to the day right here. First one of the day. That's a pretty solid fish. Definitely a good way to start, y'all. This is the way I like to start my mornings. Some people like to start their morning off with a nice coffee. This one I'm talking about. See, when I was a kid, this little pocket right here was never here. It's a lot deeper than I thought. Like a little channel going right down through the middle of it. Spit it. Oh my God. Yo, no wonder I'm missing fish. There's no barb on this hook. That's a barbless hook. No wonder. Have y'all ever seen that? There never was one there. Yo, that is some of the craziest stuff I ever seen. It ain't like it rusted off or anything. I haven't had this but a week. The hook's perfectly fine. Look at the difference in these two. That's wild. Crazy stuff. After missing 3 fish in a row, good thing I looked at that. That was some type of factory malfunction. This creek bite's been on fire. I got a little over another month of doing this. Then we're gonna get back down on the riverbank. Chase some of them blues about November time. Appreciate y'all letting me set the catfish rods down. Pick up these suckers right here. This is my passion, y'all. This is what I enjoy doing. Love bass fishing. Y'all let me know down below, would you rather catch a 50-pound catfish or a 7-pound bass? Let me know down below. I ain't gonna lie, that's a tough one. Man, the old creek needs some rain. Check this out, y'all. This is an old schoolhouse up here. Somebody lives in it now, but it used to be an old school. What a place to go to school. Man, times have changed. Little hole out. Wow, I bet there's a catfish down in there. I don't know about a bass though. Skinny little section of water. This doesn't even look like my creek. You ain't coming off this one, boy. No wonder I was losing all them fish. Skinny water bass. See, bro. That's over your head right there. Look at this mess, y'all. Got my damn buzzbait hung up. I gotta walk out in this shit. Big boy snake out here. I mean, look at that. Gotta drop a little Ned rig down there, right? Man, what a good spot to find some artifacts. Y'all, that fish was so big. I'll switch over to a crankbait. All right, we cut the buzz bait off. Put this square bill on. Let's just hope I don't hook into a little one right off the bat. But he hit it right there. There he is. It's a small one. It's a rock bass. What the hell? Y'all want to talk about an eater rock bass? Get out of here, bro. Not the best view here through the weeds, but it's the biggest one we caught so far today. Beautiful fish. This guy's blind in one eye. See ya. Another good one. Yes, sir. Back-to-back cast, y'all. Hook that old boy. See, think we found a little honey hole. Another rock bass out of that same spot. Man, we be eating good, boys. Look at what a eater. Look at the size of that fish. Man, that was an eater. I gotta get my old man down here. Y'all talking about some good eats. See ya. Alright, y'all, just switched to this. Walking back where it starts to get skinny again. I'm gonna throw this little speed crawl. I got one, he's got me all wrapped, y'all. I got him. Little I knew it'd be one of them under there. I was just hoping for a big spot to be under there. That's what we're gonna catch under them trees, y'all. Largemouth and spot. We're walking back downstream. Just tied on this little speed crawl right here. Just pulled a little spotted bass out of the stump. And check out that firewood, boys. Decent day. This weather, we're in the upper 80s. The sun feels so good on the skin. What a day to come out and crank on these creek fish. Yes, sir. He wanted that baby. Still got a long ways to go. As always, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all next time, man. Peace.